Hey, this is SJM4306. It's been a while, I know, but I've been busy. Anyway, I just want to show you guys what I got in the mail here today. So, this is the first time I've opened this up. I'll tell you a story once I break the surprise, but let's just get in here with the pocket knife and come on. Yeah, it's annoying. There we go. Okay. So, I bought some cardboard. No, I'm joking. Get that out of the way. It is a brand new keyboard for my HP Mini because, as I'll show you in a second, my Mini hasn't been doing very well recently. Basically, the tab key got permanently stuck down, and I opened the keyboard, tried to fix it, to no avail, and I accidentally broke a key while I was doing that, so yeah, sad. Anyway, so let's just see what this is going to require. Ripping a sticker, for one. Brand new keyboard, sweet. Oh man. Anyway, you'll see the flex cable coming out the bottom here. All metal construction. There are three little screw posts there, which are actually going to screw into the body. And finally, the brand new keyboard. Nice and clicky. I like it. I really like it. I could have ordered this in, it came in I think red and white, but I didn't care that much, so I just got black. Because my netbook is black. Yay! So, first order of business, I thought I'd show you guys what I'm doing this repair. I'm sorry about, kind of hard to get the camera and the whole thing in there, but remove the battery. There are two little notches right here. Just press them in and pull out the battery. Ta-da! Put that aside. Don't want to scratch up the bottom of this. I don't know. I don't know how this is going to work. Here, I'll just put down a Tasty Cake mouse pad thing. Okay, next you're going to need a screwdriver, Phillips. Let's see. Yep. And there are two screws, one here, and then one recessed into the battery receptacle part. So just go ahead and remove those. Yeah, I really need to get like a better mount for my camera. Actually, it might help if I open up these blinds. There you go. Do not lose these screws, because that would suck. I mean, your keyboard would still work and everything, but it'd kind of be a little loose in there. But there are actually retention clips on the sides, as well as the bottom, so it kind of friction fits in there anyway. And the last screw is really a pain in the ass to get, so let's see. And if you don't have a magnetized screwdriver, because I don't, unfortunately not here, you can just use a pair of little tweezers to pull out the screw. Once you're done, set it aside, and you're good to go. Now the hard part. Flip it over, open it up, and now what I like to do is, let's see if I have any pry tools and or guitar picks tend to help in this part. Let's see if I got any of either. Here you go. I got some iPod pry tools. Hopefully those work. I usually just use my fingernails, but as you can see, I cut my fingernails kind of shortish, so that's not going to work, unfortunately. So anyway, what I like to do is grab a big pry tool, and then from the back, you'll notice that the metal screw post you can kind of push up from the bottom with your one finger. So what I like to do is, using one hand in the back, push up towards the middle in order to get your pry tool in there. Sorry, this is going to take some finagling. There we go. Once you got your pry tool in there, go up near the ends and see, hopefully, if you can, whatchamacallit, there you go, you pop the end out. Once you have one out, you should be able to get the other one as well. There you go. Once both ends are popped out, you can just lift it straight back a little bit. Don't yank it. There's a ribbon cable here. Flip the tab up, it's a ZIFF connector, and you're good to go. Now let's compare keyboards. This is the official one. This is my replacement. Other than the labels, everything else kind of looks identical, which is good, more or less. We'll see about quality-wise once I start using this sucker, but it feels pretty good. So let's just get this back in. Remember to, mine as well, that I'm already open here. Might as well show you the parts of the netbook. You got your CMOS battery here, which is user replaceable. And then you have a mounting bracket, which three screws actually, hold in the SATA drive. This is the 2.5-inch hard drive. Mine's a 160 gig. Finally, you have a heatsink for, I believe, the processor should be underneath there. That's why they use copper. Copper is a very good thermal conductor. And finally, your fan. And that's pretty much it. Yay! Anyway, enough of that. Let's get working on this. Let's get cracking. Insert the ZIFF connector. Make sure that there's a little white bar. You can see it right there. Make sure that it is fully seated inside so you can just barely see it when you look down from the top. Then lock the connector bar. Now that it's in there, slide your keyboard down towards the palm rest. And then it should just kind of snap in on the sides. Then you can close it. Now I can already tell that the ends got bent a little bit during the shipping process, but that's not that big of a deal since we'll be screwing them in anyway. Replace the two screws here. Don't over screw them. And finally, the annoying last one, which is recessed, which I like to use little tweezers to get it in the socket. And then I'll use a screwdriver. Really finicky, and I really wish I had a magnetized screwdriver. Once those are in, reinsert the battery. My battery is dead, so when I go to test this for the first time, I'm going to have to plug it into AC, which I have right here. Open it, flip it on, and I'm going to kind of do this one-handedly. You can see it kind of booting there. Yep, resuming Windows. Make sure the tabs are pushed in. Mine was slightly not. But it should be good now. And once it boots, yeah, this is a 1.6 gigahertz Intel Atom processor, so don't exactly expect, a speed demon. And password for my eyes only. So far the keyboard looks to be working. Hopefully. There we go. And yeah, I know my computer's at risk. Who cares? Just open up Word just to prove that all the keys are functional. So far, the old problem was the tab button was like permanently, even though it wasn't mechanically depressed, it was electrically signaling. So it would scroll around any page that I'm on because it would just continually be pressing tab and I couldn't do anything about it. As you can see, nope, didn't mean to do that. As you can see, everything seems to work. Ta-da! repaired keyboard, and even tab works. Thank God for the tab button. Anywho, yeah, it's good in programming. Helps you break up your code to look manageable. Anyway, everything works. I'm very happy. And no, I don't want to save. No, I don't care about your security alert, Shaw. Yeah, I'm still running Windows XP. I know. But whatever. Anyway, I just wanted to make this quick video to show you guys how to replace, in general, a keyboard on a laptop for cheap. I got this keyboard replacement keyboard off of eBay for, I believe, 10 bucks. Maybe like $10.99 or something. Free shipping. And it came in here in like less than a week or something. So I'm very happy. You know, compared to a missing button and a non-functional tab key, definitely worth the investment, so I can keep using this keyboard or this computer for years to come, even though it's kind of outdated and a little weak, but whatever. It's perfect as a travel partner, taking it to class and using it there. Anyway, I'll see you guys later. Hopefully I can scrounge something up to tear down in my room. So, adios.